Welcome back to the channel. Today we're making the viral smashed chicken recipe that everyone is talking about. It's quick, crispy, juicy, and extremely easy to prepare. If you like smash burgers, this is the chicken version, and it's just as addictive. Stay until the end because I'll also share a seasoning blend, sauce ideas, and meal prep tips. Let's begin. For this recipe, you will need thin sliced chicken breasts or regular chicken breasts that you pound thin. You'll also need salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, chili powder, and a little oil. Optional, cheese slices and your choice of buns, wraps, or rice. The key to this recipe is thin chicken. The thinner the chicken, the crispier it gets. Prepping the chicken. Place the chicken between parchment paper and pound it flat. It doesn't need to be perfect. The uneven edges help create the crispy texture. Season both sides of the chicken with salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, and chili powder. Rub the seasoning in gently so it sticks. This blend creates a smoky, flavorful crust when the chicken cooks. Heat a skillet over medium-high heat. Add a small amount of oil. Once the oil is hot, lay the chicken in the pan. Place a piece of parchment on top and press the chicken firmly with a spatula to flatten it even more. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Flip when the edges become golden and crispy. If you want melted cheese, add a slice on top right after flipping the chicken. Lower the heat and let the cheese melt. Serve smashed chicken in several ways. Option 1, as a sandwich with a toasted bun, lettuce, pickles, and your favorite sauce. Option 2, in a wrap with lettuce, cheese, and ranch or spicy mayo. Option 3, as a high-protein meal with rice, vegetables, and avocado. This chicken reheats well and works great for meal prep. Do not overcrowd the pan. Smash one piece at a time. Keep the chicken thin for the best texture. Let the chicken rest for 1 minute before slicing. Use avocado oil for better browning. That is how you make smashed chicken. It's fast, crispy, and full of flavor. If you want the printable recipe, my seasoning blends, or links to my cooking, like and subscribe for more easy recipes. Thanks for watching.